Hello friends. So stemming. Stemming is a new topic in NLTK, and whenever you are dealing with different words, different tokens, then this process is very important there. So see, what is stemming? Stemming is the process for reducing inflected or sometimes derived words to their stem, base or root form, generally a written word form. Okay, so generally it is reducing a word to their stem, to their base word. Okay, suppose if you have a word going, then it will change that word to go. It will remove the affix ing. So this is the purpose of stemming. Sometimes you want these type of words in the base form, and that's why this is process is very important there. Stemming programs, those programs which are used for that process, are commonly referred as stemming algorithm, or you can say stemmers. Okay, so stemmers means those programs which are used for doing stemming process. Okay, next, these are two important function, or you can say these are two important stemmers which we are going to use in our programs. I will show you these stemmers practically. One is Porter stemmer and another is Lancaster stemmer. So both are different with respect to different words, different tokens, and it depends on your application, that which type of application you are using. So you can check both these stemmers and you can use any stemmer for your desired application. So see, NLTK dot Porter stemmer. It means NLTK, you have to import NLTK module first, and then you can use that stemmer. And see, one important thing that you have to use stem function for doing stepping. First, you have to create a Porter stemmer and just return the stemmer to a variable, and then we will use stem function in a for loop for different tokens. Okay, so that I'm showing you this practically using Python. So let's see it. So open your Python shell, and first you have to import as usual your NLTK module. Now what you have to do is, your first step is similar to our previous tutorial. First you have to create some tokens, because after creating those tokens we will apply our stemming process on them. So just open any document which you have, any file which is saved in your laptop or in your PC. So I'm opening which I have opened in my previous tutorial. So what will I do is just write the that variable and write that command open, and in that just paste your file name. My file name is doc.txt. Fine. Now see, change this to double escape. Otherwise it will create problem or any error. Okay, now after that you have to just write about encoding. In my case, encoding is Latin 2, and that's why I'm writing this, otherwise it will not be opened. Okay, and then I'm applying read function. Now after that, your row variable is containing that document, that file. Now just create tokens. So tokens equals to NLTK dot word tokenize function. You know very well what that function is used for. Okay, so and just pass here your row variable. Now after that, see, your tokens are, these are your tokens, right? Now what we will do is we will apply your stemming process. So first, there are two types of stemmer. Okay, one is your Porter stemmer and another is your Lancaster stemmer. So let's see, P denote my Porter stemmer, and I'm using my NLTK module and Porter stemmer. Fine. Similarly, I'm using L variable for Lancaster stemmer. It's creating problem. I think there is spelling mistake. It will be E. Okay, now after that I will write a loop. P dot stem function, I will use stem function for stemming for T in my tokens. I'm applying this stemming on my tokens. Okay, I think there is a problem. Stem missing L1 required positional argument, that is word. Okay, so I have not passed here any argument. You have to pass here argument, that is T, because I'm applying stem function on my tokens. Okay, this is the silly mistake. See, we have different tokens, and see, whenever is stemmed now, and it is when if. Now it has no any meaning because stemming is not responsible for them. Stemming not take care for that. Okay, we is again we are going becomes go. It remove affix ing. Okay, similarly you can see here another examples like this is becomes thi, frustrated becomes frustate, which have no any meaning. Okay, now I'm using same thing for using Lancaster. Now see here, same, see here, different tokens are there which are stemmed. Now see the difference. Here there is give and here there is give. Okay, similarly see another more examples, very here, and see here it is very. Okay, so these are some differences between these two stemming, and it depends on any application which you want to use. So different stemmers can be used for different applications, and you can decide which stemmer you want to use. You have to use there. Okay, so just try it with your own examples and you will find better results. So thank you so much.